Large quantities of XRP coins were transferred by Ripple-affiliated blockchain addresses, most likely for use in Ripple payments. At the start of the new week, blockchain startup Ripple transferred 180 million XRP, which is equivalent to $94.0 million. Within 10 minutes, the business sent 80 million XRP and received 100 million XRP at a different location. Reviewing transaction history and recent correspondence from Ripple offers some insights, even if blockchain data does not directly state the purpose of the transfers. Ripple announced last week that it is selling XRP to its institutional customers using a new mechanism. Instead of using the previous paradigm in which the firm sold XRP to customers under explicit written contracts, Ripple switched to a new mechanism. The new model calls for these organizations to facilitate cheap and instantaneous on-demand liquidity transactions using the XRP they receive. This change, according to Ripple, was implemented before the historic court decision in July 2023. Since the transactions are now happening quickly, it can't be said that the buyer expected a profit because of Ripple's work. It is possible that sales to Ripple's ODL customers are associated with some of the recent XRP transfers, including the ones noted above. Significant quantities of XRP have also been sent to the addresses linked to the most recent transaction. There is still a balance of 124.5 million XRP, a $64.7 million XRP at the receiving address, which was only activated in October 2023 when the 80 million XRP payment was made. Evidently, the 100 million XRP recipient's Ripple-linked address keeps its balance unchanged until it is prepared to participate in another transfer. There has been little change to the XRP price due to the recent transfers, market attitude Ripple's plans for the Bitcoin sector, and the expected price of XRP are all in the early stages of development. Within a specific price range, however, XRP's movement is steady. There was a flurry of activity in the cryptocurrency community after a recent release from Dark Defender, a well-known market analyst, forecasted that XRP's price will reach $1.08 in the future. Now we may examine the analyst's overall evaluation. Dark Defender's XRP forecast, as predicted, the Fibonacci level came to a close at 5 cents as per the analyst Dark Defender. Dark Defender has stated that this situation could set the stage for XRP's third wave targets of $1.8 and $5.85. At the time of writing, Rippleback coin was trading in the green market category. This rise has led to more conclusions that are in line with the analyst's position regarding the token's potential bull run to $1.8. The Rippleback coin's value has fluctuated wildly with the rest of the cryptocurrency market since its inception. It indicates that the market hit a new record high of $3.84. The price is hovering around 52 cents right now. Concerns about the slow market trend and XRP's poor performance have prompted an urgent call to action from token holders throughout the world after the token community's recent declaration of worry over the token's worth. In particular, XRP community heavyweight Mac pleaded with Ripple ecosystem heavyweights like Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chief Technologist David Schwartz to jump on the bandwagon and do something about the pressing need to boost XRP's market. That person explicitly demanded that others do something. Another way of looking at it is that this situation it's in with the theory that future price increases are possible. Meanwhile, there have been no official pronouncements from the community about any major advancement, Ripple's legal challenges, or the market's current outlook. In the meantime, the market seems to be feeling more optimistic thanks to Ripple's relief over the SEC lawsuit. Judge Torres has agreed to extend the discovery period regarding the resolutions, and the community is looking forward to receiving more support. Several events have happened at once, and the market value of XRP has increased as a result, recently surpassing the $0.5 level. Much more price increases are anticipated along the road. Experts in the cryptocurrency industry have reported that XRP, the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has been involved in token transfers within the last day. One of these funds went to finance the world's busiest Bitcoin exchange from an anonymous wallet. According to Whale Alert, a service that monitors significant cryptocurrency transactions, Binance received 25.82 million XRP from an anonymous Whale wallet. The Binance Whale wallet was the source of this $13 million transaction. Whale warning following the whale's relocation. The following information was reported by Whale Alert. 25 million XRP or $13 million was transferred from an unknown wallet to fund speculation and intrigue within the cryptocurrency community. Evidence points to this behavior as profit taking. By the end of the third day of advances on February 9, XRP had risen to a price of $0.5. The value of XRP fell to 0.52 when this story was being written, a decline of 0.54 from its peak 0.2 hours earlier. No one knows for sure why the whale moved just yet. Still, moving tokens to exchanges could be for selling purposes, which is a very plausible explanation. Perhaps the whale is preparing to cash in on Binance's huge volume and liquidity by selling or trading XRP there. But at the moment, it's hard to tell what this data means. On-chain analytics firm Messari has released an innovative quarterly report for the XRP ledger, which is sure to get people excited. The report on the XRP markets was published by Ripple one day ago. In the fourth quarter of 2023, there was a 490% growth in NFT mints on XRP ledger, bringing the total number of NFT transactions to 170%. The study by Messari states that 3.4 million NFTs were mints in the fourth quarter of 2023, making up over half of the total mints since the launch of the XLS20 standard in 2022. The entire market value of tokens on XRP climbed by 47% quarter on quarter to reach $169 million. However, the Sologenic Solo maintained its position as the most important token in terms of market capitalization. The encouraging news from the Ripple SEC litigation caused increases in the market value of XRP, which climbed by 21% quarter over quarter and 97% year over year. A 23% increase in operations from the previous quarter to the current quarter was recorded in the XRP ledger. This increase was mainly driven by a substantial surge in payments made in December for inscription-related activities during the development of the AMP proposal. Judge Torres is not going to require Ripple to turn over these papers for a case extension that goes against traditional legal procedures, which is where the invention of hooks comes in. Whether Ripple is obligated to publish its financial accounts for 2022 and 2023 and any investment contracts that should be considered in the lawsuit will be determined when the discovery phase of the remedies concludes. On the other hand, most lawyers, like John Dion, think that it goes against established practice to include these post-complaint purchases in the discovery phase. Any ongoing sales that the SEC wanted to include should have been uncovered during the discovery period. Typically, I am satisfied that Ripple proceeded confidently with those sales since the terms clearly indicated that they were not an investment contract. Notably, this gives us hope for Ripple's future and some insight into the current state of the company. John Dion's study indicates that Ripple will likely pay a far less fine than the approximately $200 million in legal fees that the company has already incurred. With the interlocutory appeal denied by Judge Torres, Ripple appears to be in a strong position. If she rejects further appeals, it will lend credence to the idea that although some of the early sales involved lockup periods and expectations, thus constituting investment contracts, they were made to qualified investors and institutions, mitigating the fine to some extent. That's all for now.